In this assignment given by Skyfi Labs, I am going to analyze the 23-story building for seismic load by using IS 1893-2002. So for defining the seismic load, go to define, then load patterns, and add a new load, seismic, using IS 1893-2002, modify lateral load and select X and Y both the direction. As the building is located in Bangalore, the zone factor is 0.1 and we have considered medium soil, so site type is 2 and importance factor for general building is 1 and response reduction factor is 3. So now seismic loads are defined. We can add a function, that is response spectrum, for using IS 1893, then response spectrum, modify and show loads. The seismic zone factor is changed to 0.1 and function damping ratio for RCC building is 0.05. Using plot action as linear X and Y, then OK. Similarly, we have to define the time history function using define function time history. So I have used the correlate time history data from the C drive. So after defining this function, we have to go to load combinations, and add a default design combination, that is concrete frame design. Then load cases. You can see here response spectrum and time history analysis is defined. Then go to analyze, set load cases to run. So when we are running response spectrum, choose only seismic to run and others to do not run, and then run now. So after running the analysis, we get the design. For design, we can go to design, concrete frame design, and then to start and design check. These are the reinforcement detail after the design check. So we can click on any beam, right click, to get the reinforcement detail. Also we can see the reports under project report and summary report. The detailing option, so various stress diagram can also be viewed from display option. Thank you.